Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be opening up my July BOXYCHARM box and trying everything on. So if you're interested in that, keep watching. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's get into it. If you saw last month's video unboxing my BOXYCHARM, I can link it up here for you guys. But if you didn't see that, I want to say it was my favorite box of all time. So I am excited to share with you guys how this month's box matches up against that one. So let's hop into that, and I will link BOXYCHARM down below. It retails for $21 a month. It is a subscription that you get 5 deluxe to full-size items every single month. So let's hop into what I got. The first thing I'm going to use in the box is from Butter London. This is the Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette. It says, serving queendom realness, bring out your inner goddess in Butter London's vibrant Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette. Enchant with 6 highly pigmented, long-lasting shades. Whether you're feeling like a diva or a temptress, these cruelty-free shadows pair effortlessly to create imaginative looks that will make a powerful entrance, and it retails for $32. So this is the packaging, and then you open it up and it has the 6 shades and a mirror. So I am just going to swatch the shades really quickly so that I can see what I would potentially want to use, and then I will do a little look for you guys. All right, this is what the swatches look like. As you can see, there are 4 shimmers and then the 2 matte, the blue and the brown on top. This is definitely one of those palettes that I don't get a complete look out of because there really aren't any transition shades or anything like that. There's just the 4 shimmer shades, which I use as lid shades, and then this deep brown shade, which I would generally do in my outer V or as eyeliner, and then this pop of blue. What I'm going to do is just use this dark brown shade, Temptress, put that on my outer V, and then I'm going to do a lid shade. I think I'm going to do Enchantress. Okay, I'm not a huge fan of how that looks, so I'm actually going to go into Diva, which is this deeper golden shade, and put that right on top on my lid. Okay, I kind of hate how this looks. The shadows were definitely really skippy, which I did set my lids down after I had put my foundation on, just with this Bone Shade Passion from my Tarte Maneater palette. So my lids were set before I started using these shadows, and they were definitely skipping on my lids, which is annoying and it's hard to blend out, and I just don't really like how the colors are meshing. So whatever, we're gonna move on. The next thing is from Appeal. This is the gel eyeliner in the shade Forest Green. And on here it says, line and define your eyes and lips with your new Appeal gel liner. It retails for $21. I would never put Forest Green liner on my lips, but sure. So let's get this open. All right, so it's just a liner, and it actually seems like it goes on pretty smoothly. So I'm just going to trace my upper lash line with this, and then I'm going to blend it out a little bit. Okay, maybe I won't blend it out because it's not as pigmented as I thought it was going to be. So actually what I'm gonna do is, this is a trick that I do with a lot of my gel liners, is I'm just taking this little pencil brush, it's like a little smudge brush, and I'm kind of rubbing it on the top of that pencil, and I'm going to smudge this on my lower lash line. So we'll see if we can get some pigmentation out of it here. Okay, I feel like it still had pigments on it from using it last time, so I'm just going to try and get all of the excess off of it, and then we'll try this again. Okay, I can see the green on it now. That definitely did work, and I do think that the color looks pretty smudged under the lower lash line, so I think that's kind of the way that I would use this product instead of using it on the upper lash line. All right, I'm gonna throw on some mascara and then I'll be right back. Mascara is seriously magical. I feel like no matter how much I like or dislike my eye look, it always comes together with mascara. So I feel like this looks way better now that I have mascara on. It's still not my favorite, but that's okay. So next up is from Alamar Cosmetics. We've gotten a couple of things from this brand. And on here it says this is the Mother of Pearl Gloss, Juicy Shade Shifting Lip Luminizer Drenched in Pearlescent Reflex. Formulated with rich sea buckthorn extract and camellia oil, this Mother of Pearl Gloss will hydrate your lips while delivering a smooth, shining, iridescent effect. Completely non-sticky, wear it alone or over your favorite lip liner to lipstick. Gluten-free, talc-free, and always cruelty-free. It retails for $10. So this does not look like it is something that I will like. This looks like a mermaid gloss that is more like younger than me, but we're gonna do it anyway. So I'm just gonna put it on alone first, and then I might put a lip liner on and put it on over that just to kind of see how it looks both ways. So I don't have anything on my lips right now. I can definitely see little glitter flecks in it, and I do not like that. And it smells super, super sweet, but like not, I don't know, it's weird. But here's what it looks like in the bottle, just so you can kind of see. Okay, I'm just gonna take this off. I'm gonna have glitter everywhere all day now because I feel like once you get glitter somewhere, it never goes away, and there's like little pieces of it all over. I'm going to take a Pillow Talk from Charlotte Tilbury. I just need to sharpen it, and then I'm going to line my lips with this and put that gloss on top. I just filled my lips in with Pillow Talk, and we're gonna go right back in with that gloss. I feel like now you can see just how gold it is when it's on top of something a little bit darker than just my lips. From far away, I think it looks pretty, but up close, I can see all like the little shimmer and glitter little specks. There are two more items in the box. The first one is from Luxie. It is this brush set, and I actually don't think I have any of these Luxie brushes, and I didn't realize this one was in there. I thought it was only 2 brushes. So this is the Luxie 510 foundation brush, and it's just a flat synthetic foundation brush. And then there is the 246 Precision Crease Brush, which is basically the same thing. And then there is the 250 Large Eye Blending Brush. This is a really big brush to blend your eyes, but I guess maybe if I really wanted to get my edges, maybe I would use this. I don't know. We'll see. These brushes I don't really use for my makeup. I might use this to put on like a glitter lid shade, but these brushes I really love to use with face masks, because a lot of times face masks will come in tubs like this one. This is the Algenist Prebiotic Balancing Mask, and I'll just show you how I use it. So it comes in a tub, and instead of dipping my fingers in it, even if you wash your hands, there's just still some germs. So instead of dipping my fingers in, I would just pick up some product on the brush and then brush it onto my skin. And I feel like this way you get a much easier application. It's much more even because you don't have to use so much product, and the brush will really help even it out. So this mask turns pink, and I can see it turning pink on my hand. So these brushes are just phenomenal for masks. And then the last product is from Alamar, and this is the Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. Get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for softer, smoother, and more radiant skin. It retails for $35. I actually already have this mask. I was trying to find it and I cannot find it anywhere. And I actually just did the Berry Superfood Mask last night, and I was on Insta Stories doing it. And now I can't find that one either. I feel like they like grew legs and walked away. I have no clue where I put it because I have a bin of all of my masks. I don't know where they are. So anyway, I'm not going to open this because I do already have this in my collection, but I really love this mask. Alamar makes some really, really good masks. So I feel like out of all the things in the box, this is my favorite one. All right, let's go through everything that I got really quickly. So the brushes I will use at least 2 of the 3, and I really love Luxie brushes. The quality is really good, so I'm excited about that. This mask I'm excited about to have a backup of it. The lip gloss I could live without. I do not think that I will wear this again. The eyeshadow palette is, it's okay. I would use maybe some of the lid shades, but I don't see myself reaching for this because I have so many other things in my collection that I like more. And then the eyeliner, I would use this to blend under my lower lash line again, but I don't think it's something that I would be running out to repurchase or something that I would be like dying to use. Altogether, the items in this box retail for $128, and you can get the box for $21. So that is a good deal if you do like the products. The mask, I would kind of go by the products that I would actually purchase, and I would purchase this mask, and it's $35. So you can get it for $21 in the box. So this month the box is still worth it for me, even though the box was kind of a dud in my opinion. So that is everything for this video. Let me know down below in the comments, do you get BOXYCHARM? Did you get the same box I got? Did you get something different? Did you love it? Did you hate it? Let me know all the things down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.